Energy, an infinite resource in the universe. On Earth, more in demand than ever before. And more expensive than ever. But we need energy for food, for mobility, for building. We have spent decades working on innovative automation technologies to design innovative building automation systems more effectively. With this experience and a lot of innovative spirit, we save energy and costs in the place where intelligent solutions can achieve a lot, in buildings. Why spend money heating rooms if they are not used? Why spend money cooling if intelligent shading is much more efficient? We know the technical possibilities and ensure greater efficiency, innovatively planned and intelligently controlled. Our office buildings. Each employee consumes 1.3 liters of oil per day in the past. Today, photovoltaics provide a large part of the energy. Conventional systems are often aligned steeply to the south. In order to make better use of the photovoltaic system during the day, our solar panels are only inclined to 5 degrees, increasing the radiation duration. This is good. It is better to effectively use the energy generated. For example, through cogeneration for heating and the best cutbacks in operating costs, the rigorous calculation of need. The in-house weather station, the internet, and the room occupancy schedule forecast the demand for heating. If a room is not used, no energy is wasted. Our building control system only calls for heating energy that is actually needed. This is stored in highly effective hot water tanks and intelligently distributed with a cutting-edge control technology. Fresh air is better than energy-intensive air conditioning and healthier. This is why we extract warm and stale air to the outside and heat fresh cold air via a cross-heat exchanger. Automated and efficient. Our air conditioning units only run if the room is occupied. This saves energy and thus reduces costs. So far, so good. But intelligent cooling means more. Avoiding heat by automated shading. If the sun is shining, the weather station immediately recognizes this and sends the data to the controller. From there, the motors of the shading system are controlled, separately by direction. Heat radiation, energy consumption, and operating costs are reduced. Shading in the west, clear windows in the east. For us, the best light comes from the outside and not expensively from the ceiling. But if it has to, then through highly efficient LED technology. This consumes only a fraction of the energy of fluorescent lights and is much more pleasant in color. To save energy, the light needs in each room are measured and the LED lights dimmed accordingly via the dolly bus, individually for each room via the intelligent controller. Also in the conference room. Discussions, cleaning, presentations, conference rooms have varying requirements. With a web interface, the pre-designed settings can be easily displayed or activated with a press of a button via the intelligent N-Ocean technology, a radio switch that generates its own energy. If the button is pressed, the powerful computer processes this command and also controls all the other building components. Communications run on an IP basis, just like the internet. Many components, however, only understand your own language. We speak these languages and translate the commands, which are easy to control using a browser, but also from your smartphone or tablet, for example. But not all important components of modern building automation can contribute to energy saving. This is why we also seamlessly integrate access control systems, fire protection systems, intrusion detection, and security systems into building automation and maintain all of the technology 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if required. Increase effectiveness, reduce operating costs. With our experience, investments can be planned and recouped in a very short time. To reduce energy consumption and operating costs, and to protect our environment, because there is actually enough energy around, just not where we need it most. Strategy is not only the goal, but automatically the best solution.